Hi, hello, and welcome all to the SAC review. Today we have on board our very own Cultural Affairs Secretary, Divyansh. Hello, Divyansh, welcome to the show.
Hello everyone.
Shall we move on to our interview then?
Yeah, we can start.
Okay. So, first I'll start with the rating given to you by the students. You have an average rating of like 5.5 on 10. And I have to mention one thing that out of all the other five secretaries I've done interviewing, and out of that, you're the one who has like kind of lesser rating. So, any comments on that?
I think it's pride, kind of because the cultural activities that are being conducted are maybe not up to the mark, or perhaps it's because that we can't do it as efficiently as it would have been on campus.
Yeah, that's one point. If the situation was normal, I think one of the busiest sec would be obviously the cultural affairs because we would have had a lot of programs, our freshers day, this, that, I don't know, a lot of things. And talking about that, so in the past month, the only things which we had from the cultural side was a few Instagram competitions. So when we asked students about the participation regarding that, nearly like 65 percentage of people were not even bothered about that. Only the thing was that the people who had been participating before, who were like enthusiastic before, they remained enthusiastic. The other people remained idle as before. So, do you think you could have done something else to like increase the participation of students, especially in a stressful semester like this?
See, the thing is, in a semester like this, one has to be encouraged by themselves more than I mean, they have to be encouraged by themselves and they have to talk to their friends, like take help of the community by giving them competitions. What we were trying to do is to give them a platform by participating. For example, let's take the online open mic competition that Wade conducted. The condition on it was that if there would be participation of more than 10, then we would give them prizes. This was particularly done so that we could get a higher, participation from friends. But that did not happen. Despite Vadya having like a good number of members, this did not happen. I mean, you can see that the club heads are doing well. They're always trying to keep up their Instagram pages and all. They're trying to host competitions and all to encourage people to participate. But to some extent, it's the people who have to work. I'm not sure if I'm being able to convey my point here, but you need to show some initiative on yourself as well, is what I'm saying.
Okay, yeah, we understand that point, but again, there's a small discrepancy there. We have had online competitions this semester, majorly by all the clubs, except yeah, we had Natya and Battle of Bands. That was like in the early March. After that, the only competitions we had were these Instagram competitions. But here again, there was one problem, right? See, one pro that I have to tell in your tenure is that you were able to get the secretaries to have an Instagram page of their own for each of the club. That's applaudable. But again, one problem here was that initially when the Instagram page was started, most of the club heads were putting you know previous videos and photos of the shows which were conducted like you know from the start of the clubs. And later when the Instagram competitions happened, they did that through that Instagram page. But after I think like after September, there has been like completely idle. There's been nothing there in those pages, no updates, nothing, except of course Akshar. But Akshar, from the beginning, I think even when we were in campus, they had a lot of Instagram posts, like be it competition, short stories, this that. They have had it before also. But the other cultural club right now, I think after September, there's nothing from their side. So don't you think they could have also done something more? Like and one more thing is there. Not everyone would want to participate in a competition. You know, like you could have made some fun videos. Maybe like a music video, dance video, and all. So have you like thought about something like that?
Here's the thing. Many of the posts that were when the Instagram pages started, everyone had a hype that our club is finally getting an Instagram page, so we should also do it. And that hype lives up to a moment, right? After that, what happens is you get caught up with the semester. You need to realize that when the Instagram page started, it was, I think, before the semester started. I'm not sure about this, but
Yes.
it's around that time when the semester started or was about to start. So people had a lot of time on their hands during that time. They were free. They were willing to explore their interest, and that's why we see the club heads were free and had a lot of time to keep posting. Now, as you see, the online sim is getting tedious for everyone, even for you guys. For Campus Spotlight, there's been a long break in the new episode, as you can see. It's common for pretty much every body, every club to not have activities in between because of the tight schedule that we've had. Akshar has managed to hold this very well, and I would like to commend Ibrahim for that. But other than that, Vadya was has been doing well as well. Vadya held a competition. They did the entries and all. They've helped with the Petrigo competitions. In fact, actually, all the clubs were asked by Petrigo to help with them. So that's there. And regarding posts is, you see, there's not much we can do when you're not together. And if most of the clubs consider one more thing, they need to deliver quality posts. You understand? So let's say, for example, curtain call. The post that they what they were thinking of doing was to make a video collaboration with like the members and make an episode something regarding to the lockdown. But you see, when you're trying to make a video over Zoom or anything like that, there are bound to be the quality is bound to go down. Same is for Vadya. If you think of making collaborative music videos, do not do that because there is a lot of lag in the video, and we most of the students do not have the required equipment. Me personally, I have a guitar here, but I cannot record it because I don't have a recording equipment. So there are certain restrictions when it's coming down to everything that we see. But in spite of that, some of the students have been able to do it very well. Like take for example, Jayant, Benhar, and Prashita. These guys made a very short, 1 or 2 minute video, despite the lack of equipment and all. So it's about who is motivated enough to try and actually do it.
Okay, but what I meant, like, it's not just my opinion, it's like a general opinion. Even in the form, it is visible that, at the point of time, like around, I think, June, July, and all, every club was active. We had some of the other competitions going on. Everyone were active, but then after a point, everything became idle. Like now, like you said, if, yeah, obviously it is hectic, but even in the start of the semester,
You, I,
yeah, you continue.
I don't understand. Do you want us to push between ensigns or what?
No, I didn't mean like in between NSM. I was telling like you could have been little more consistent. Like when everything came together, there was like a yeah, it was like full. Everyone was really enthusiastic, but then that enthusiasm was shut down like very quickly, pretty quickly. So that's what I meant.
Could shut down because of hectic schedule. That's all I can provide answer because it's pretty clear. You can see the academics that is being given to us right now. Almost every week, one or the other person has a quiz or a test.
Yeah, but if we think in that lines itself, I think see the next time also most probably it's going to be online. If we think on the same line, then obviously we won't be able to do anything. Because see, if after this NSEM, then I think maybe 2 weeks we'd be like free. Then batch by batch they'll be called back, and I think those labs are also going to be hectic for us because labs everything. Then if the same issue continues, so if we think on that line, I think nothing would be possible for us.
Yes, and that's why I'm saying that in the little time that we're getting, we're trying to keep the posts active. See, even if we do, person can only upload as much content as they have, right? If you cannot create more content, then they're trying to upload the previous content. When
Yeah,
that
but maybe
content
like
is run
once in
out,
a
how
month.
can one
uh,
put content on once in a
Once
month?
in a
Every
month you
club
can
is
try
doing,
now.
I'm pretty sure. Every once in a month,
Every
one of
club.
the clubs, some of the clubs are posting. Pretty sure about that. The only club that has not been able to post is Curtain Call, and that's because pretty much cannot do
Yeah.
it because it's hard
Yeah.
to get a
Talking on the
full
same
team
line.
who can make a drama on Zoom meeting.
Yeah. Yeah. On the same line, like I was talking, um, different clubs are planning different things. So if I'm a part of the club, I'll obviously get to know. Or if my friends are part, if they tell in some talks, I'll get to know. But what about the people who are not part of the club? Like, you could have like kept them updated now, because we don't get any information from you at all.
Information regarding.
Yeah, like what's happening around like in each club and all.
Yeah, regarding that, that's why we've posted. That's why we've made Instagram posts, right? Instagram pages, right? If the students won't follow
Okay.
it, how will they know what's happening in the club? Many of the clubs are even posting stories, so maybe it's not on a post; it's a story, and it remains for a day. So some maybe they're being regular with stories, but you won't know them if you won't follow them. And well,
Okay, but
uh, situation might change as again because as we now have a freshers batch joining, so maybe the situation will change. They'll bring up a new hype with them. There'll be more students participation with the oncoming freshers batch. You have to see that that is one of the reasons why the participation may have died, because as we get into the as the fourth year comes along, many of the people tend to lose their interest in doing activities. That's because they're obviously the placement season and all. So that's why that is one of the reasons why people may not participate. And since and the trend is
you
usually
can't tell
this,
that
that
as a
when the
reason
fourth
now,
year
because more than the fourth years, we have the
why
current second years. They are actually more in the in every club. If you take, I think they are only the majority. The current second years and third years. Okay, admitted that third
yeah,
years are
that's what I'm
having
saying. You
limits.
see, the current second years they've started participating, but then was not there until now. So that's another reason why the participation was low. But now that we have new first years joining, maybe the participation may increase.
Are you planning anything for the freshers? Some sort of cultural program or at least an interaction?
Uh, yes, the interaction will be there. Every club will get an introduction, and there'll be freshers will have a few activities planned for them. The SAC is currently uh, coming up with a plan for that.
Okay, so yeah, next we move on to the EML which you have conducted. One EML you had conducted online. So when we asked about people like, did you participate in that EML? That was the question. Most people were not even aware of that. So do you have something to say that like to the students in general?
Read your mails. That's see regarding emails. The only way to spread information about it is via your batch group or via emails. I agree that I did not send. I would not have sent any message on the batch group. Emails were sent, and I get people probably did not read that or whatever be the reason. But the participation in EML was very short, was very low, and the EML itself was a short one because since it was the first email that we were hosting online, we did not have many activities planned. Like we were just beginning to see how to proceed with going about it.
Okay, so one follow up to that. Um, in EMLs generally when it's conducted offline, when the situation before the pandemic, I mean, when the EMLs were like mostly EMS and EBSB actually both people never used to come. Not much participation was there. So the online participation being low is justified. I do understand that. But again, a few minutes back you have told me that you can. It was regarding Instagram, but I'm telling like in general that you should have planned more, right? I mean, whatever you do, it should be like quality thing. So you could have thought in that lines now.
EML is something like
EML
not
and
many
EBSB,
students
I'm talking about both.
take interest in it, and it's yeah, EML and EPSB. They're both things that not many people take interest in, and I guess I'll accept that it's been a very hard for me to plan on how to grab people's interest regarding that, because you cannot just tell them, oh, we're doing this, so you should come and participate. Like that's what we do. We can just tell them that the email is being participated, but person has to have genuine interest in the activities that are being conducted. So it's been a little tough trying to get what will appeal to the people.
It was actually a good opportunity now for you to interact with people and know what they really want, like instead of you deciding it.
I will interact with people if people actually join.
See, generally people don't come now. It's very rarely or very it's a minority actually. Those who come on their own and speak up. That's why we send all these feedback form and
Okay,
stuff. So
see,
you could have tried for something like that. Yeah. Next point was in your manifesto you had mentioned about having a new dance room and all. So can you give us some updates since you have not told anything about that after you have got elected? Like, is there a room? Like, is there some construction going on, or like is it halted, or anything regarding that?
I myself haven't had much of an talk with the authorities regarding this, because one of the rooms that might become available to us for the club activities is the room underneath the mess in Nella campus. But we're not sure which club will get it. But then again, regarding the dance room, we're not sure where how to go about. There might not be place available, or if there will not be a place available, we'll have to go with a movable mirror.
So, are you planning to purchase something like that?
We haven't like finalized what all will be on the budget, but it's most probably going to be. See,
Hmm.
the details
So,
regarding the
next,
budget have not been finalized. Okay, you can go.
okay, why is it getting delayed?
I'm not sure.
Okay, okay. So,
I would rather not play the blame game here. That's why I will not say anything.
okay, fine. So, next thing, yeah. Next thing I want to ask you about was regarding the interactions you had with different club and club members, club heads, and all. Are you having a good interaction with people? I mean, what do you feel?
I mean, uh, can you elaborate on the question? Like with the current club heads and club members you're
I
talking
want to
about?
know like how are you checking on because like we're not together. So how are you checking on different clubs? Like, are they being idle or are they into something? So have you checked on to all those things?
Like every month or so, we usually have like a small discussion on whether how things are going and all. But other than that, I have not been able to much get into it, because every club is even the club heads have been pretty hectic with the schedule and all. But yes, you can say every month we've been having discussions. Like I will sometimes remind them that, oh, you're slacking off here, so maybe you should do something about it and all. That way they'll try to like progress, or like at least try to post something or anything.
Yeah, just a suggestion. You're free to take it. You told you are having meetings like every month. So just like when there's a SAC meeting, the GenSec used to send us the minutes of the meeting. So you can also try sending something like that, no? So the people will be more like aware of what's happening.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, next sem, are you planning for something? I think till February it's your
Like
tenure, no? So
depending on how we'll proceed, it will change. Like if it's still an online sim, then there will mostly be competitions. But other than that, during the December to January period, we're probably considering having the general championship. So there will be many competitions being conducted during that time. Since the students will mostly be free during that time, we're considering holding a general championship.
Which time
So
did you
there's
say
that to look
January
forward
to?
to between December to January.
But then that's what I told now. We would be like people would be called to campus, by that time. Do you think it would be a problem for this?
I mean, there's only a certain number of people who will be going, and people who will be going, they'll be during the 14 days of quarantine that they'll be getting. They'll be pretty much free. So I'm guessing they might be able to participate then.
So yeah. So that is the end of my interview. So is there anything you have to add on?
I would just say that instead of complaining about things, you should try to not you like so instead in general try to
Yeah.
communicate what the problems they're facing to be it the club heads, be it me, be it someone who you think you can like talk to regarding something. If there's anything you want to be done in the cultural side, you at least talk to someone. Don't just go randomly ranting about it.
No, but
Just
I
please
think
first talk to someone.
from the
If one
responses
of
we
the club
got,
heads is not able to do it,
yeah, from the responses I got, I understood that it's mainly because for a long period of time, like nearly for 3-4 months, they haven't heard anything from you. So literally, people were asking like, "Is he still alive?" and all. So you can understand now.
if I am not delivering my message by myself, but at least the club heads are doing the work, right? Because I'm asking the club heads to do the work.
Most people don't think about that.
If you want me to show activity by just simply sending mails, that can be done. That's not why I'm here, though. I'm not here to show that I'm doing some activity. I'm here to actually do it. And I don't know, but I've been trying to do it by myself by having competitions.
Okay. So thank you, Divyansh. Thank you for joining us. I hope you also enjoyed this.
Right. Thank you. Thank you for having me.